Looking for top-notch tree care in Vista, Oceanside, or Escondido? At Vista del Rey Tree Services, we've got you covered. Whether you need tree removal, trimming, or stump grinding, our expert team does it all. Got storm damage? No worries, we'll handle that too. From pruning and brush removal to hedge and palm tree trimming, we're your go-to tree care company for all things green and leafy. Want your trees to look their best while staying safe? Give us a shout. Call us today and let's make those trees shine.